guys, in this episode we are continuing the build of the powder coating oven. Brent went ahead and bought the rest of the parts so we can complete the build in this video. I hope. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We're going to start with the underside. So here we're going to put this one here and the other one down here. Afterwards we're going to put the piece of wood above and we're going to screw the piece of wood in this one. So the only thing left to do is the door itself, but that's not gonna be that big of a problem. So yeah, that's gonna be fixed very quickly. Afterwards we're going to have to drill the holes over here so we can pass the electronics again. So for the door we have the ability to put it on the ground and do everything on the ground, what is easier. So we're just gonna put everything together and then bolt it on the oven. So guys, as you can see, the oven behind us is ready. It is very sturdy. We still have some things to finish up. As I told you before in the video, the electronics will be for another video. But we still have to drill the holes, but the oven in itself is ready. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.